In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send audio in Gmail. Whether it's a quick voice memo or a longer clip, I'll walk you through the simplest way to attach it to an email, plus what to do if the file is too large for a standard attachment. First, get your audio file ready. This could be a voice recording or any clip you've saved on your device. Common formats like MP3, WAV, and M4A work well. Give the file a clear name so it's easy for the recipient to recognize, and make sure you know exactly where it's saved. If you can, play it once to confirm the audio is clear and the volume is good. Keeping the file concise can help it fit under Gmail's size limit. If it's very large, consider exporting a slightly smaller version. Next, open Gmail and start a new email. Log in, click Compose, and a draft window will appear. You don't need to fill everything out yet, but keep the draft open so you can attach your file. To attach the audio, click the paperclip icon in the Compose window. Browse to the folder where your audio file lives, select it, and confirm. Gmail supports direct attachments up to 25 megabytes. You'll see a progress bar as it uploads. Wait until it finishes so the file is included properly. If your audio is larger than 25 megabytes, use Google Drive instead. Upload the file to Drive, then in your Gmail draft click the Drive triangle icon and choose the file from your drive. Insert it as a Drive link. Gmail will usually check permissions for you and can adjust them so your recipient has access. If prompted, allow access so they can open or download the file without issues. This is ideal for longer recordings or high-quality audio. Now add the recipient and subject. Type the email address carefully and give the message a clear subject line, something like audio file attached, so the purpose is obvious at a glance. In the message body, write a quick note to explain what the audio is, why you're sending it, and any useful details such as the length or what to listen for. If you shared via Drive, mention that it's a link and that they can stream or download it. When everything looks good, click Send. Gmail will show that the message was sent, and you can find it in your Sent folder if you want to confirm the attachment or link is there. That's it. Prepare your audio, attach it or link it through Drive if it's large, add your details, and send with confidence.